So we're doing a haul of everything we got. We both got a cookie and crumble frappe. I got a gummy pizza and I've eaten all the toppings. So, we'll start with these because I'm so excited about them. Start with the original one. Okay, let's open it. Okay, first one. Pull that bit apart and zip this. Pull the first pack out. So what we got from the first pack, first thing is, it's so soft. This is actually softer than real mochis. So, a little tiger. Great dear tiger. Everybody knows on this channel I love cats and dogs. I absolutely adore animals. Look at the little turtle. A hot pink squirrel. Look at those teeth. What is this? Comment down below if you know what this is. Okay. Next one.
Penguin.
Oh, it's a penguin. I didn't see because of like the colours, you know.
I like it.
Here we go, guys. I got it open finally. Get off my hands. Here we go, it's open. Very excited for these ones especially. Feel so soft and squishy. So, a green, very sticky, glittery tortoise. Look at the little elephant. So cute. Look at them, they are literally best friends. Oh my god, it's a mercat. That's so cool. And now, okay, let's come. Stay tuned for part 3.
Bye bye for now.
Bye.